What's up, YouTube? So this is a video of us putting down some epoxy on our garage floor. We started out by cleaning out the garage. We put everything away in the laundry room, and then we did some acid etch, and then we laid down the epoxy. So our garage, I think it's a 2.5 car garage. It's roughly 400 square foot. We bought four epoxy kits. We bought them at Home Depot. So I bought two one car garage kits, and I bought one 2.5 car garage kit. And it should have been enough. From all the videos that I watched, it should have been enough to do the garage. But as I mentioned later, our garage floor needed a lot of repairs. Like, it had small holes here and there, cracks. That sucked up a lot of the epoxy. So what I use the garage a lot. So when I work on cars, I use it a lot.
Time to crack open the cold one.
So this is how it looked after we moved everything, after we got it completely empty. Then we vacuumed it. After we sweep it first, and then we vacuumed it. Okay, so this is us laying down the epoxy. So what I learned from this is that you should, like everybody else says, you should buy more than what the box tells you. We did that, but since our garage floors were really had a holes here and there, and I didn't really repair any cracks or little holes, it sucked up a lot of concrete. So you'll see when I show you the results, you'll see some spots that are dry. So the results is not perfect. It's not as good as everybody else does it, but it looks better than before. So I'm happy, and it's still easy to clean. Even though I didn't do a great job, it's still easier to clean than before, and it looks better. So I'm happy. Would I do it again? Yes, because now I know, I don't know what I'm doing, but I have experience with it now. I would definitely buy like 3 times the supply, and I would definitely do the repairs on the floor like everybody else did.